Hey guys, and welcome to another Table Talk with a TT Combat review. Today we're doing the damaged Gothic chapel. So without further ado, we're going to get into it. Well, hopefully you guys seen it. So basically, you put around this top part first, and then you connect it to the base. It's going to make it a lot easier connecting to the base after you've already put in these parts here. The way they tell you to do it is a bit frustrating in how it works, because you have to snap in these into here, but then you have to also do these at the same time. That's too much to do at one section. So it's better to put these mergers together first, then put it onto this base here. Makes a lot less frustration. I do apologize, by the way. My camera, it shifted, and you got a vision of my fan, my TV monitor that I don't use, and my Baby Yoda, my R2-D2. But without further ado, I'm going to see how much I lost with that turn, and we'll get to it. Alrighty, I didn't lose too much. You guys just got spun around a little bit. That's what I get for a $14 stand. Oh, I'm not done. Ah! guys, well, here is what it looks like after it's finished. It's not actually that bad. All in all, there's a couple things I would recommend building this guy. The walls itself, I would not put it onto the base here. I would build the walls first, ignoring the side structures. But build the walls, put them together, then put them on the base itself. And then afterwards to the roof, whatever you see works best for what I did, just go ahead and mimic that as well. Alright guys, well this is what it looks like afterwards. You got your Tactical Marine, you got your Intercessor, and then you got your Vulnerable Dreadnought. Cannot fit. But this is the scale. This is how it came all together. It looks pretty good, I think, for the most part. Had a little bit of frustration at the beginning with putting the walls onto here, and a little bit of the roof. But after you figure out the roof's issue, and after you figure out the walls issue, you're pretty well solid. That's about most of the project. So after you do most of the project, you have a lot of your issues resolved. And I got super glue with my knife. Alrighty guys, well, we'll see you guys next time. And this will be the 4th thing we have created. Drag these guys over here. Gotta get my orc stuff. And then this guy. Don't know if that's on camera or off camera. But this is what I created so far. After going on forwards, we're only going to show the orc stuff or the Astromilitarum stuff together, because as you see, it's going to be a little bit bunch. But we have still a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7 videos to make. 7 videos to make from TT Combat Terrain. So stay tuned. There's plenty more to come. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe if you like our content and make our struggle a little bit less of a struggle. Appreciate you.